Attention business owners. Are you looking for a brand new, powerful sales funnel that you can rebrand and sell as your own? Good news is, you are in the right place. We have done it all for you, and it's definitely top-notch. If you've been struggling with creating your own content, or you want to add a new product to your existing product line ASAP, there's no faster way than grabbing this ready-made PLR. If you're looking for something that will be making you money and making you profit each month, our product, Instagram Reels Marketing PLR Bundle, is perfect for you. Introducing Instagram Reels Marketing with PLR. This is a completely DIY biz in a box that gives you everything you need to own your online business, ready to make you money quickly. You can sell it under your own name and keep 100% of profits. No skill, no experience, no update, no extra investment. Super newbie friendly. It is an in-demand product in an evergreen niche. Marketers will gladly spend their money on this. Instagram Reels is the latest format of Instagram stories that can be used to create and share 15-second video clips, either with your followers or if you have a public account with the larger Instagram community via the Explore page. And since video content is all the rage right now, top brands are using Instagram Reels for business marketing by sharing short video content to convey their branding and advertising messages on the Explore page, as well with followers to gain massive traction. Many brands already include Instagram as part of multi-channel digital marketing strategies, and an option like Instagram Reels could create even more opportunities for brands to reach younger audiences and create unique branding and sponsorship opportunities. Moreover, with the recent uncertain future of the TikTok in the US, Instagram Reels has become an impeccable platform to interact with audiences and fuel your branding endeavors. To get started, you can check out our comprehensive, up-to-date, and well-researched Instagram Reels marketing training guide. This guide will educate you on how to showcase your brands using the Instagram Reels in an effective way and inspire sales-oriented actions from your Instagram page. So, here's exactly what you are going to get in this. 1. Professionally written training guide. 2. Professional graphics. 3. Animated banners. 4. High converting sales copy. 5. Mini sites. 6. Customer sales video. 7. Legal pages. 8. Social media graphics. 9. PDF graphics with PSD files. 10. And email swipes. 11. Other selling material like mind maps, cheat sheet, and top resource report. We are providing you with a time-sensitive opportunity to get access to a quality product. It is a well-researched, top-notch package that will put money into your pockets. Money like this. All you need to do is slap your name onto our brand new product, sell, and keep 100% of the profits. Remember, this has a value of more than $4,000 plus the pain involved in getting it done. But we are providing you a shortcut to the system and providing you a high-quality product that you can sell under your own name at a huge discount. Do not wait. It is a dime sale. The prices will go up. Take action now.